Hiya, welcome to Chrissy Webster Mosaic and Craft. We'll just have a look at this one. This is the mixed media felted bag. There's different styles of bag that we'll be able to choose from. This one's more like a small handbag, but you could perhaps do makeup bag, any other sort of bags that you want to do. So you can see there's a little bit of detail there with the found objects. We're going to be working with some found objects. This is another no-sew method on this area. Just turning it over, and that shows you a little bit more about the sort of styles. There's lots of different things you could do with found objects. I've just chosen a floral sort of detail on this one. I call this my fairy bag. I've added a little bit of leaves and flowers. That's like a vine. I've twisted it so it's like a vine, and there's just a little tiny charm there as well. So all that is included in the price. All the sort of like bits of leather you can choose from beads. So hope to see you there.